How's it going, everybody? And today we're going to be doing seventh chords. More specifically, we're going to be doing the E7, which is actually very simple. It's one of the more simple chords that you can actually learn. Now here's how it goes. You put your pointer finger, okay, right here. You're going to count 1, 2, 3 on your fretboard on the first fret. Okay, then you're going to put you can put your middle finger, but I prefer right here. This is the easiest way to play it. And that's your E7. Now, there's also another way that you can actually do this too, which is a lot more difficult. And I'm going to do that right here, right now. You're going to put your pinky right there. Okay, same placement as right there, kind of your, but the only difference is it's four fingers. So you're going to put your pinky right there on 1, 2, on the 3rd fret. Okay, so see that right here. That's 2 ways of how to play it. So the first way is just like this, and then the second way is the way I just showed you. Really easy. It's like you pretty much just start with the regular E and then lift off your 3rd finger, right? And that's it. That's it. It really just depends on what you're the most comfortable with. Remember to leave a like and also subscribe.